is Miranda, and today I decided I am going to do the take your mirror outside photo shoot thing. It has been raining all day, but suddenly it is beautiful and sunny. So I think I'm gonna put my contacts in and put on something cute. I don't really know what yet. I'm gonna decide right now, and I'm gonna take my mirror outside and take some pictures. I feel a little bit like I missed the boat on this one. This was like a huge trend like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. People are still doing it here and there, but you know, like when it's like fresh and everyone's doing it, I missed that, but I'm gonna do it right now because it's still gonna be cute. Honestly, I think I can make this shirt work with these overall things that I have yet to wear. Don't know why, because they're adorable. Hold on, it still has a tag on it and everything from TJ Maxx, which is a good feeling during quarantine because I miss TJ Maxx so much. Seriously, I posted a thing I drew on Procreate today about TJ Maxx because I just miss it. I just want to like go in the parking lot and stare at it. My mom and I keep joking about that. Anyway, this was $19.99 at TJ Maxx. It's kind of like an army green color. Let me just put it on and show you. Alright, so I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of weird, but also don't know how I feel about the Converse pair with it. Like, do I look like I'm gonna go paint a house? Kind of feel that way. But I feel like also if I'm like bent down all cute, like we can do something with it. It's kind of cute, right? I don't know. Maybe it'll be terrible. Let's find out. Also, what size did I get in this? Because why did I have to cinch the waist this much? So I need a mirror and my phone because it's just gonna be like selfie pictures, not like a full-on photo shoot with my nice cameras or anything. This is supposed to be something that you can just, like anyone could do. Grab your mirror, take it outside, and take some pictures. Where's my phone? So like I said, it has been raining all day, so it is kind of wet out here. Might ruin my mirror. I think I'm gonna go like, I'm gonna put my mirror on the side of the house over here so it actually has something to lean against, like this. That seems cute. Plus with the background, I don't know. Let's try that. I'm gonna set you on this stump over here so you can see it in action. Now, where can I put you? Can I balance you here? Probably gonna drop my camera. I hear a car coming, so they're gonna look at me. But I don't care, and you shouldn't either because you only live once, and who cares what anyone thinks? Okay, all right, the truck is past. It's safe to proceed. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with an upright like this, like normal full length, and then I'm gonna do some like tilted sideways, whatever. People did some really cute stuff, got really creative. Honestly though, I'm having a stellar hair day and it's because of that TG Beach Weaver thing. Love it. Alright, now I'm turning the mirror sideways like this. I don't know how I feel about that. What am I supposed to do? Like get all the way on the ground? Nah. I tilted it like that on the house. I don't know, maybe it'll be a cool angle, let's see. A few notes now that I'm back inside. That was fun. Definitely find like a tree or lean it up against your house. I wanted to go over by my pond over there, but there's nothing. Like I'd have to bring a chair out there. I mean, I could go through that, but I also could just not. I heard some people saying like, it's impossible to not get the sun in your eyes when you're doing this. Didn't have that problem just now. You saw like the lighting was really good. I think people think with their pictures that they have to go in direct sunlight in order to get a good shot. You don't. I personally find that the best pictures, like when I do photo shoots or whatever for people, pictures of myself, that if you're in direct sunlight, first of all, you're gonna be squinting, so you're not gonna get the best picture of yourself. Second of all, you're gonna be either too washed out or the pictures are gonna have like those sunspots, what are they called? Like orbs, but you know. So don't. Find a spot that's maybe not like shady. Like I was kind of in the shade, but I'm getting the light from the sunshine, which is like directly right out of view. Does that make sense? So yeah, right now I'm gonna insert some of my favorite pictures. Hopefully I got some cute ones because not too sure how that turned out. I wanted to get the kicking ones really bad, but they just like weren't working. Maybe they did. Maybe they actually came out good. If you see one here, it's because they came out good. And then I'll probably put my faves on Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram at Miranda Rosanne. Otherwise, all my other socials are in the description box down below and in the end slate at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please comment them down below. Also, any video suggestions as always, and when I hit 2,000 subscribers, which I'm very close, I will be doing a giveaway, so let me know what you want to see. I'm thinking a gift card or a favorite things, which would be like 3 to 5 of my favorite things at the moment for whatever, life. I don't know, it could be anything. It could be hair, tools, beauty stuff, cooking, bath stuff, like whatever. Any of my favorite things at the moment. Let me know what you want to see. Otherwise, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!